Okay, so this is lesson 1.2, but also kind of lesson 1.3. If you are distance learning right now, we are not going to necessarily do all of these things because we don't have access to protractors and rulers, at least not all of us. So I'm just going to go through this because we might not be distance learning and you should know how to do this. So the goal for 1.2 and 1.3 is to use a protractor and use measurements to name triangles. 1.3 does the same thing, but it measures polygons, so shapes that have more than 3 sides. Lesson 1.1 talked about the names of triangles, and this part A, these are all based on sides, and these are all based on angles. So we're going to choose one from both, and we're going to give this triangle 2 names. So I'm going to put 2 blanks here. So the first thing we would do is we would look at the side measurements. So if we look here, here, and here, you'll notice that all 3 of those are different. So just as a reminder, scaling means 0 are equal, isosceles means 2 are equal, and equilateral means 3 are equal. One of my co-teachers once told me if you capitalize an I, there's 2 straight lines, top and bottom, and that's 2 equal lines. That's how you remember that there's 2 equal sides. That's how I remember it. So here, since they're all different, that means this is a scalene triangle. And then, sorry, I'm trying to select a different color. There we go. If we look at these angles, they are not all the same. Obtuse means there's 1 over 90. Right means there's 1 that's 90. Acute means 3 under 90. And equiangular means all of them are 60 degrees. That seems like a lot to go through, but hopefully what you'll notice is you're basically just looking, well, you might recognize right away that we have this guy right here that's over 90 degrees. So that is this. We have 1 over 90 degrees. So this is obtuse. This is a scalene obtuse triangle. So if we go down to this next one, I'm going to label these, and then I'll have you pause. Oops. Scalene means no equal sides. Isosceles, capital I, means 2 equal sides. Equilateral means 3 equal sides. Obtuse is 1 over 90 degrees. Right means 190 degree. Acute means 3 under 90. And equiangular means they're all 60. So these are sides, angles. I'd like you guys to pause the video and try to figure out what the 2 names would be here. So pause the video and try. Okay, so if we look at our sides, so none of those are the same. That means we're looking at a scalene triangle. And then if you look at the angles, we have this guy here. There's 190 degree angle. So that means this is a scalene right triangle. Okay. Normally what you would do is you would then take and you would measure these side lengths and you'd put them out here. Then you'd measure the angles and you'd put them in here, and you would choose 2 names, and that would be your assignment. But because of the uniqueness of where we are currently, you will not be doing that. So we're going to try to come up with a modified assignment so that you can name some triangles, and that will be found in Canvas for you. If we don't, we will let you know that there's no corresponding assignment, okay?